I'm Denver DUI defense attorney Michael Becker. Under CRS 42-4-1301, it is against Colorado law to drive under the influence of not only alcohol, but also drugs. This includes illegal narcotics, marijuana, as well as prescription medications. Normally, people arrested for driving under the influence can choose between taking a breath or blood test. But if the police suspect drug use, the defendant must submit to a blood draw. A first-time conviction for DUI of drugs is a misdemeanor as long as there was not an accident that caused serious bodily injury. Penalties can include 1. 5 days to 1 year in jail, 2. $600 to $1,000 in fines, 3. 48 to 96 hours of community service, 4. Alcohol and drug education classes, and 5. A 9-month driver's license revocation. But it may be possible to drive after only 1 month with an ignition interlock device. Note that if the defendant is only slightly impaired, the DA may instead bring the charge of DWAI on drugs, and that's driving while ability impaired. A first-time conviction carries laxer penalties, including no license revocation. Note that each successive DUI or DWAI conviction triggers harsher penalties, and a fourth-time conviction is always a felony. There are many possible defenses to DWI of drug charges, including that the blood test was contaminated. But note that it is not a defense that the drugs were legal or that the defendant had a valid prescription or medical marijuana card. If you've been arrested in Colorado, call my legal team for a free consultation at 303-222-0330. The attorneys at the Colorado Legal Defense Group will fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.